All right, so I wanted a much better way to go over my headlines in the morning, and I needed to pull in some of the Google headlines. I needed it to show up in my Pocket Accountability spreadsheet so I could just go through and see which headlines caught my attention and which ones I wanted to look into for that day. This one only covers Google News right now, but as you can see, they pull in the AP, BBC, Reuters, Al Jazeera, CNN, Japan Times, ABC, and some local ones. So I wanted to pull the world and then the US. Oh my God. These were not on here this morning. That one wasn't. Anyway, so what I wanted to show, this just really kind of threw me off. What I wanted to show was the formula you can use to pull it into a spreadsheet if you also wanted to do the same. How do I do this? Let me see if I can pull up on a doc, just so I can see the whole thing. Oh, right there. So let me copy it. This one I found online. I'm not really sure. I'd have to find it again. Um, it pulls it in real time from here. And I know you can take anything off these tops with these topics. So I just did the world and the US. So this one was for the world. So you can see this topic in this long, like kind of ugly looking slug is the same thing as right here, right? This is the same exact link that's right here, this green. And then the US one, it's the same thing, except after the slash, it's different. It'll change up there. It just pulls in that slug. If I wanted to go local, I should be doing that, like for Charlotte. Um, I'm gonna do it right now. And just because I know okay, locale, and we are going to paste. Oops, I'll do the same. So what I need to do is grab everything after the forward slash and the topics. So right here, and oops, it's a long one. Oh, it says section somewhere. I gotta pull all this out. Okay, so I need topics, and then it says sections. So I would assume I need to grab all of this up until the question mark. Let's try it. Let's swap it out there, and then as well here, and hit enter. Okay. So I wonder if I get rid of all, let me just try to get rid of this up to sections like I did the other one. I believe like that. Let's just see. I am not sure how to do the local one. That one's going to be kind of confusing because like it has multiple sections, but like if I just wanted to pull in business, see how it's shorter up here. is why I love doing these kinds of videos because it's like, let's see what I really. All right, let's swap this whole thing out. Wait, just kidding. What did I grab? Yeah, I only topics, no slash. Boom. Perhaps it's okay. So let me get rid of that section like that. Oh my gosh, it's because I don't have the. What the heck? Maybe I was frickin' right this whole time. Once again. Okay, okay, okay. That makes me so happy. Okay, so now I also actually want to do business. Now that I know it's there because I care, I like that stuff. Okay, so let's take business. It is just that. Okay. All the way to that quotes. All the way to the quotes. Excellent. So, this roundabout way of getting your headlines into Google Sheets. If this is something you want to do, of course, you're not going to watch 7 minutes of this bullshit if you're not interested. So, you just need this formula. I will not lie to you. I have no idea how this works. I don't know how some of these formulas work. I just found it online. I have been using it for a couple weeks, a couple months by now, and I wanted to share it. If I come across it again or look it up, I can give credits down below. It was just like I Googled how to pull in Google headlines into Google Sheets and click the first one. So um, it's available for anyone, but this just shows you the inner workings of it in video format. These two must be the same. And then, of course, you're looking for just this ugly slug because HTTPS news.google.com RSS topics is the same on both, just that ugly slug. But this, like, it's local. So my understanding is like, so this would be the US news category. Here is that example, that parent category, the US news. Now we need to go down into, so like that could be North Carolina. And then sections, this long one is for the city, like Charlotte. So it'd be like state, city. So like this one would be different for California, and then Los Angeles would have a really long slug like that type of a thing. So you just pop that in there and it refreshes as you refresh the page. Of course, if there's nothing new to pull in, it's not going to pull anything new in. But it's a pretty cool way to have a bunch of these headlines and pulled in and be able to kind of um, start your day quicker, I suppose. So if you have any questions about this, if you would like um, the copy and paste of this, send me an email. That is below, or reach out on Twitter. I will DM this to you so you have it exactly that. Or you can comment below and leave your email address. I don't really advise that, but if you're okay with it, go ahead and do it. I will reach out to you and then delete that comment just to send this over. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.